Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we'll be taking a closer look at the Tear Dragon Curve. This puzzle is a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this packing puzzle uses fractal lines, and what that means is it's a line that takes up space that never overlaps itself and is a repetitive design. This comes from Martin Rainsford, and this was originally a Kickstarter project. Now, this being a fractal puzzle, the pieces kind of fall in and just disappear when you're doing it, which makes this actually quite difficult because pretty much to kind of move pieces around, you just kind of have to dump it all out and start over. Extraordinarily difficult puzzle. You have the name of the puzzle etched in, and flipping it over extremely carefully, on the back side you have Martin Rainsford's website with a kitty etched into the back. Ooh, one of the pieces popped out. So you can kind of see what I mean by just drops in and disappears. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.